We are going on to the next lesson, okay? Go on. No, finish. That is over, right? Yeah. So everybody will not get a chance to read everything. So what is important is you keenly observe what everybody else is reading. Okay? Yeah.
Al-Baytu.
No. You read the lesson. Top.
Ad-Darsu Rabi.
Ad-Darsu Rabi'u. Lesson 4. Yeah, go ahead. Rabi'u. 4.
Al-Baytu Fil Bayti.
Yeah, what is this concept? Fil Bayti. What is it there? What is it called? I'm asking him, when asking somebody a question, others please don't answer. Ever, never. Yeah, please, Jimshed.
Hurfajar.
Harfjar. Yeah. Yeah, what does Harfjar do?
That
Tahir bhai. Yeah. What does Harfjar do?
T will come.
It will give kasra to the last letter. Yeah. You read one more. Next.
Al-Masjidu
Yeah.
Fil Masjidi.
Yeah. Translate.
The mosque in the mosque.
Correct. Zahir, right? Zahir. You didn't come last time? 2 classes you didn't come. 2 classes. Okay. Did you follow what was done in the previous classes? Did you look up the WhatsApp? Nothing? You were seeing? You were acting on it? Or just reading? Read it as a joke. Okay, go ahead. Huh?
Al-Maktubu.
Maktabu.
Al-Maktabu.
Yeah. The table.
Al-Maktabi.
Maktabi. Translate?
The table on the table.
Correct. Read the next one.
As-Sariru.
Sorry. Yeah. Hanan. Yeah. Alal Maktab. Alal Maktabi. Yeah.
As-Sariru.
Yeah.
Al-Sariru.
Al-Sariri. What is the first you read? Al-Sariru.
Al-Sariri.
The first time you read Al-Sariru. Why did you read Al-Sariru?
Because Alif is Alif Lam.
No. Al-Sariru you read, right?
Yeah.
Any reason you read Al-Sariru?
I thought Al-Sariru.
Okay. Fine. Al-Sari. Yeah, stop. Next sisters, go ahead.
Aina Muhammadun.
Aina means?
Where is?
Where is Muhammad? Yeah. Answer.
Huwa fil ghurfatu.
Huwa fil?
Ghurfatun. Ghurfati, sorry.
Wait, one second. Just hold on. Why is it not huwa fil ghurfatun?
Because here the preposition, the fi has come in.
So, fi maktabin. I can say fi maktabin.
Okay.
No, right?
Okay.
Just think. Think. You can't think?
Because, the is there.
You prompted her? Don't. Never.
Aina Muhammadun huwa fil ghurfati.
Once more.
Aina Muhammadun huwa fil ghurfati.
Yeah, now you know why we cannot read al-ghurf. We cannot read huwa fil ghurfatin.
Ghurfatin, yes.
Fine? Clear? Yeah, next.
Wa aina Yasirun huwa fil hamami.
Yeah. Translate?
And where is Yasir? He is in the bathroom.
Yeah. Huwa, we read right? Detached pronouns. Yeah, next.
Wa aina Aminatu hiya fil matbaki.
Yeah. And where is Amina? Here is third he, she. Like Huwa is he, here is she. Matbakh is kitchen. Fine? Yeah. Next.
Ainal maktabu.
Oh, no. There's no meme in the word, right? Ainal
Maktabu.
No. There's no meme at all in that word.
Katabu.
Ainal Kitabu.
Yeah. Huwa al maktabi.
Huwa alal
maktabi.
Okay. Why are we reading maktabi, Because Allah is there. Like, when fi and Allah are there, it will give kasra to the last letter of the following word. Right? Next. Jumaina, right?
Yeah. Wa aina saatu.
Wa'aina sa'atu.
Wa aina saatu. Hiya ala sariri.
Alas sariri.
Ala sariri.
Yeah, translate.
Where is the
And
watch?
where is the
And
what?
where is the watch? It
Yeah.
is on the bed.
Bed, yeah. Next. Next, Tamarin. Can you try? Do you want to try? Yeah, Tamarin, first one.
أين الكتاب؟
Ainal kitabu.
كتاب.
Because there is nothing and the word preceding that will make it kitabi. By default it will be bu. Bun or bu. Okay, Ainal kitabu. Meaning, what is the meaning?
Where is the book?
Where is the book? Do you want to answer it? It is on the table. Can you translate? We saw something for it is on the table, right? It is there, na?
هو على الكتاب
هو على
مكتبي.
المكتبي. It is on the table. It you are asking? Got it? Fine. Like who you use for sentence? Yes. Who you will use it for? It as well. Right?
أين محمد؟
Aina Muhammadun. Yeah. You can take it from that. You know the sentences that have preceded.
هو في الغرفة. غرفة.
Who?
هو في الغرفة. غرفة.
No. What will fee do? Fee will do something to the next word, right? Okay. You read the first word in the lesson, right? What is the first word? First, in the lesson first. Al-Baitu is there, na? Topmost. Al-Baitu. Yeah.
البيت.
Yeah. Next.
في البيت.
Yeah. What is it doing? Fee. What is fee doing? What is it doing to the next word?
It's becoming
It is adding kasra to the last letter of the following word. Fil baiti.
في البيت.
Yeah. Now you read Aina Muhammadun. Answer.
هو في الغرفة.
Ghur. There is Dhamma is there. Ghur.
غرفتي.
Yeah. You read one. You read the next one also.
أين
Ainas.
الساعة؟
Correct. You turn the page and see the answer.
هي على السرير.
Yeah. Next sister.
Aina Yasiru.
Yasirun.
Yasiru. And it is. Okay, huwa fil hamami.
Correct. You read one more.
Aina aminatu.
Yeah. Aminatu.
Hiya fil matbaghi. Matbaghi.
Badbakhi. Yeah. Yeah. Next. Yeah. You give it. We'll start with the sisters one. You read the sixth one. Yeah. Fourth. Please don't, see which one is going to come to me and only prepare for that. Okay? Right? Listen to what everybody is reading. Please.
آمنت في الغير
No, there is no ya, right? What is there after Ghain?
غرفتي.
Ghurfati, correct.
غرفتي.
Yeah, next. Safiya. Ayasirun. Go ahead.
ياسر في
Fil
المطبخ.
Badbakhi, yeah. Means that first Hamza is there, na? Means question. When Yasirun is the word. When you say Yasirun, meaning is Yasir. Yasirun is Yasir in the kitchen. Answer. You turn the page and find out where Yasir was.
huwa fil ham.
Yeah, the question is, Yasirun fil matbakhi. Is Yasir in the kitchen? You will have to say no, he is in the hammam. No is la. La, go ahead, complete the sentence. La,
La yasir.
la huwa,
La huwa fil hamam.
correct. Yeah, next.
Man
Yeah,
fil ghurfati.
mashallah. Man is who?
Okay.
Who is in the kitchen? So, who is in the room?
Muhammadun fil ghurfati.
Mashallah. Yeah, next. So, you are studying? What are you studying? Seventh. Mashallah, barakallah. Excellent, mashallah. Yeah, go ahead.
Waman fil hamami.
Mashallah. Translate the question. And man is who?
Yeah. Who is in the bathroom?
Woman, yeah. Who's in the bathroom? Yeah.
Wa'an.
No, not wa. See, the question is, and who is in the bathroom? You will have to say, you will have to give a name and say, X is in the bathroom. Go ahead.
Yas.
Correct. Right.
Yasir. Yasirun.
Yeah.
I'm not getting.
Yasir fil hammam.
Yasirun fil hamami.
Yasir is in the bathroom.
Yasir is.
The question was, who is in the bathroom? You are saying, Yasir is in the bathroom. Okay. Fine? Yeah, next.
Yasirun or Yasirun? It's Marifa.
Sorry, go ahead 1 second. What is it? Your question was, the question was, is it Yasirun or Yasiru? It is Yasirun. Fine? Yeah.
It is Marifa.
Yeah.
Even then it will be Yasirun.
Yeah, the name is like that. Yes, correct. Yeah. What was your question? We didn't read? Aminatun. The name is Aminatu. Yeah. The question was why we are not reading Aminatun. The answer is the name is Aminatu. That's it. Period. Another point is, you got him right. Female names will not have un. Yeah. Yeah, mabniyun. It is. No change. Yeah. Next. Who's?
Maza alal maktabi.
Yeah. Maza is what? What is on the table?
Okay. Ainal.
No, not aina is where.
Where? Okay.
You just have to say the watch is on the table. Here he is asking what is on the table. You'll have to say the watch is on the table. What is the watch? As-saatu?
Book.
Okay, or whatever. Al-kitabu?
Al-kitabu
Alal maktabi.
maktab.
The book is on the table. Next.
Maza alas sariri. What is on the cot?
Yeah.
As-sa'atu alal sariri.
Alas sariri.
Alas sariri.
Yeah.
The watch is on the cot.
Yeah, fine. Next. You read two.
Al-mudarrisatu
Yeah, correct. Sorry. Yeah, correct. Fine.
fil mudarrisati.
Sorry.
Mudarrisatu.
No, it's not Mudarrisatu. It's al-madrasatu. Al-madrasatu.
Al-madrasatu.
Yeah, first word was al-madrasatu.
Why not mudarrisatu? It's the same.
Here it is. Okay, I'll take you back. Go to the 8th one. 8th is there, no? 8th, same page. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Sixth.
Man fil ghurfat.
Sixth one, right? Second is min or man. Correct?
Man.
Yeah, it is man here.
Yeah. Okay.
Fine. Fine. You can read it. Fine, no problem. Go ahead. Yeah, fine. It's fine. No problem. Yeah. Next word was because the next word was that, right?
Okay. Al-mudarrisatu.
No.
Fil mudarrisatu.
No. But what is the next second word you read? Read.
Fil
Yeah.
mudarrisatu. Madrasatu.
No. All the Harakat are there, right? See the harakat and read.
Fil
Yeah.
madrasatu. Tun. Al
No.
है ना तो tun.
Fi. What will fi do?
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fil madrasati.
Yeah, you read the next one also.
Okay. Fil baiti.
Read the next one.
Okay. Al baitu.
Correct, yeah.
I'll read another one. Al ghurfatu.
Yeah, fine. Stop. Where is the mic? Zahir, you want to start? Go ahead.
Al-hamamu
Yeah, next, you read the next one.
fil matbah.
Please don't.
Fil matbahi.
Fil madbahi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what does it mean?
Al-hamamu means bathroom.
Bathroom, yeah.
Fil maktabi means
Fil?
matbahi
Yeah.
means in the kitchen.
Yeah. Next. Jamshed. Jamshed or Jamshed?
Jamshed.
D.
I-D.
I-D-D. Jamshed. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Al-Maktabu.
Correct.
Al-Maktabi.
Mashallah. Okay. Fine. Translate.
Al-Maktabu, a table.
The table.
The table.
Yeah.
Al-Maktabi, on the table.
Yeah. Fasal. This is the real test.
Okay. Sorry?
This is
No,
real
I
test.
didn't know where to start from. Al-Kursi. Al-Kursiyu. That's it, right? Al-Kursiyu.
Alal. Kur.
See you.
On. You tell me on the table. You know, don't see the book. On the table.
Al-Kursiyi. Yi.
Why?
Because of the Allah.
Correct.
Harf jar.
Yeah. Next. You read one more.
As-Sariri.
This is the beauty of the book, you know. You will suddenly mix. Just so, you know,
As-Sariru.
whether to see whether we are reading with, you know, kind of full focus and mix up the concepts. MashaAllah. May Allah bless the author.
Al-Kursiyu. Al-Kursiyi.
Ah.
Isn't this difficult to say? Al-Kursiyi.
Faisal is difficult to say. What
No, but no. I'm asking as a concept. If it's kursi, why do I need to say the extra e?
No.
Al-Kursi. Do I say Al-Kursi e?
Oh, okay. What is that?
Alal Kursi.
Kaaba. You read, right? Alal Kaaba. You normally say, what do you say? You say Alal Kaaba.
Yeah, you say
Right?
Kaabatu or Kaabati.
Ah.
But that's not ending with a ya.
That's ending with E, right?
It's ending with
No. We read the last letter, right? The point is reading the last letter with the appropriate harkat.
So Kursi, isn't it getting there?
No. Kursi is, you are not reading the ya, right?
I am reading the ya, but I'm not reading the zer.
No.
क्या पढ़ा जाए? कुर्सी या कुर्सी ई? कुर्सी ई.
Kursiyun is the word, right?
Okay.
What is the word? It's not. What? So you wanted to say something? Yeah, the word is kursiyun,
Kursiyun. Correct.
right? So there is a tajdeed on here. So you're making that tajdeed is remains. You're just making that dammatain to kasra.
So kursi e.
Correct. You want to say something? He wants to say something.
This maktabun, a table, al maktabu, the table, it becomes alal maktabi. So the last word, al maktabu, has a dhamma there. Because it is Allah, alal maktabi, dhamma goes, and
Kasra.
kasra comes. It is just like that. Al kursiyu is the chair. Alal kursi, Allah comes. Kursiyu becomes, the dhamma goes, and kasra is given to the ya. You press the ya, kursiyi.
Fine.
That was the
Next.
question basically. Yeah.
Fine. Yeah.
Kursi. Yeah.
Yeah. Next.
Al kitabi fil masjidi.
Al kitabi fil masjid. Fine. Yeah. Next.
At-talibu
Yeah.
fil zamiyat.
Jamiati.
MashaAllah. Jamiat is university. Translate.
At-talibu, student.
Student
Is
is in the university. Yeah. Fayaz. Fazal. Oh,
Yeah. Ar-rajlu
yeah.
fil masjidi.
MashaAllah. I mean, translate Fayaz. Fayaz or Fazal?
Fazal.
Fazal. Oh my God. Fazal. Yeah.
Ar-rajulu is
Ar-Rajulu is the man.
man is in the masjid.
Correct.
Aina Aina al-tajiru. Aina tajiru or
Ainat Tajiru. When you join and read, you will say Ainat Tajiru.
Aina tajiru
Yeah.
wa fi adda
Huwa fit dukkani.
sorry
Huwa fit dukkani.
wa fi dukani. Okay.
Ad-dukkan.
Okay, ad-dukan. Where is the
Huwa fit dukkani. You read one more.
yeah al-khad al
Keep the mic close.
okay al-khalmu
Ah,
alal maktabi.
correct. You read one more.
Okay. Aina
Zainabu.
Aina Zainabu.
Translate.
Where is Zainab?
Correct.
Okay. Fi.
Hey,
Oh. Here.
correct.
Fi.
Ah,
Al Kharifatu.
fil
Fil
ghurfa.
Ghurfatu.
Ah, gone.
Yeah.
Wrong.
Wrong.
What does fi do?
Ghurfati.
Ah, read again.
Again.
Yeah.
Aina Zainabu.
Ah.
Fi.
Why you are missing a
Here.
word?
Here. Fihi. Fihi.
Where is fi? There is no he at all there.
Okay.
Huwa, here fi.
Here. Fi. Al
Go ahead, read.
Kharif.
Ghurfa.
Ghurfati.
Ghurfati. You will say when you're joining and reading, you will say here fil ghurfati. Read again one more.
The next one.
Yeah. The work for work well done is more work. Yeah.
Aina.
Ainal.
Ainal.
Waraqu.
Waraku.
Where is the paper?
Okay.
Yeah.
Here is the paper.
Yeah.
Huwa alal maktabi.
Correct, mashallah. Next. Who is?
Aina al-mudarrisu.
Mashallah.
Huwa fil fasli.
Yeah. Where is the teacher?
The teacher.
He's in the class. Fasl is class. Yeah. Sariya. Ainat tajiru. Okay. Good question. Read this. Read this word. Why you are not reading lam here? It is Shamsiya. Same reason. Right? The same letter ta, right? That's why you are not reading. Fine? Yeah, next, sorry.
Aina Yasirun.
No. Okay, yeah, correct. Aina Yasirun, yeah.
Huwa fil Mirhasi.
Masha, correct. Razi is toilet. His Yasir is in the toilet.
Ashamsu wal Kamari.
Wal
Kamari.
Why read? I wanted to read with confidence and not eat up the last letter. Ashamsu
wal Kamaru.
Yeah.
Fis Samai.
Correct. Translate?
Ashamsu, the sun is far.
Oh, no. The sun and the moon
The sun and the moon
are in the sky.
are the
Sky.
are in this.
Sama. This Sama. Asman. Yeah, next Wasim.
Man fil fasli.
Correct.
Means
Man is what?
man who?
Who is in the?
Please don't prompt.
Who is in the fasli means
Fasal is class.
class. Who is in the class?
Man is who is in the first. Right? Yeah. Here. So next is they have given few names. On the right are the masculine names and on the left are the feminine names. So one feminine name which we just read now, which didn't have the ta marbuta, which was it? Aminatu has got ta marbuta. Aminatu you are saying, right? Zainabu, which is listed here, right? Zainabu doesn't have ta marbuta, but still it is feminine. That's how it is. And Maryamu, yeah, and
Only two, I think.
yeah. Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Ammarun, Sa'idun, Aliyun, Abbasun, yeah, everything is same, yeah. You start ready. This one. Okay, you have to focus on the last letter. And read.
Muhammadun.
No, this one, from here. Start from here.
Hamru.
Right? There is no Ra, after Ha there is Alif. Beautiful. This one. ये वाला ये
Hamidun.
Alif है ना
Hamidun.
read one more.
Zainabu.
Zainabu, read one more. You read the full line. Fast. Buzzer round.
Aminatu.
Please don't talk, please don't discuss,
Aminatu.
please focus.
Aminatu.
MashaAllah, correct. Amma. Ammarun.
Ammarun.
Yeah, next.
Sairun.
Sa'idun.
Saidun.
Yeah.
Fatimatu.
Correct. Fatimatu. Correct. Maryamu. Yeah. Aliyun. Khalidun. Next line full.
Full, is it?
Yeah.
Abbasun.
Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, where? Okay. Just no, there is no fatha also there, right? No, that's how the name is. Fayaz is Fayaz. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. क्या है सर फजल नून है क्या फजल is the class, yeah, go ahead.
Abbasun. Aishatun.
MashaAllah.
Muhammadun.
Yeah,
This is
she's here.
Safiyatu.
Yeah.
Khadijatu.
Which class are you studying, Safiya? 7th. Both are 7th. MashaAllah. 7th. Yeah. Then you start. Next page. What is this Arabic? News, huh? So, what were the two harfja that we just read now? Fi and ala. Correct? We are going to read two more now.
Al-Baitu.
Yeah.
Minal Babi. Baby. Baiti.
Didn't ask what is min. What is min?
Huh?
You didn't ask me what is min. What is min?
What is mean?
You tell me now. Now I am asking you, what is min? From. Al baytu, the house, the gateway. Min al bayti, from the house. Right? Harf jar we read, right? Fi and ala. Fil bayti we said it. We said alal maktabi we said, right? In the previous page. Yeah, I think you went out for tea that time, right?
Yeah.
Where is it? See here. What is this? Al baytu fil bayti. Al masjidu fil masjidi. What is? As sariru ala sariri. Similarly, this is another harf jar. Min al bayt. Read this.
Al masjidu alal
Hey. Ilal.
ilal masjidi.
Guess what is that? This was from. What is that? Correct. Yeah. Ilal masjid. To the masjid. 4 we have read till now, right? Fi and ala were the first two. Now we are reading min and ila. Fi is in, ala is on. Fine? And min is from, ila is to. Fine? Yeah. Go ahead.
Al mudarrisu
Correct.
min aina anta.
Anta. Tell me anta. Clue anta. Dual.
Antuma. Antunna.
Huh?
No. Antum.
Antum. Mashallah. Good. Yeah. Min aina anta. From where are you?
From where?
Yeah. Read the answer also. Muhammadun.
Muhammadun.
Yeah.
An minal.
Ana.
Ana minal
Yabani.
Yabani.
I am from Japan.
Oh, okay.
Right? Yeah.
How to say that teacher asks or Muhammad says? Like,
Oh, what?
like it's teacher asks. How to say that in Arabic?
No, you just said al-mudarrisu.
No, I just-
Conversation.
I'm just asking that. The teacher asks.
The teacher?
Asks.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I. Okay.
Yeah.
Al-mudarrisu
Yeah.
min aina Ammaru. Ammarun.
No. Wamin, right?
Okay. Wa min aina Ammarun.
Ammarun.
Okay. Muhammadun. Huwa min as-Sini.
Huwa minas?
Sini.
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 Ni. Yeah. You said it, I didn't hear. Yeah. Yeah, China. Yeah. And from where is Ammar? He is from China. Yeah. Sadir bhai.
Al-Mudarrisu
Yeah.
wa min aina Hamidu.
Hamidun. Yeah. And from where is Hamid? Yeah.
Muhammadun huwa min minal Hindi.
Correct, Hindi. He is from India. Al-Hind, yeah.
Al mudarrisu
Yeah.
aina Abbasun.
Yeah, Aina Basun, yeah.
Muhammadun kharaja.
Kharaja meant he went out.
He went out.
He went out. It's a verb. Like Zahaba we said, right? Zahaba, Fa'ala we said, right? Like that, Kharaja is another verb. He went out. Kharaja yakhruju.
Al mudarrisu
Yeah.
aina zahaba.
Yeah.
Muhammadun.
Wait. Translate that.
Where is zahaba?
No.
Nice. Aina zahaba.
No. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher is saying, Aina Zahaba.
Aina
Where
Zahaba.
did he go?
Where did he?
Where we said, right?
Where did he go? Muhammadun zahaba ilal mudiru. Mudiri.
Zahaba ilal?
Mudiri. Ilal mudiri.
Ilal Mudiri. Zahaba means he went.
Zahaba, he went to
To the manager or HOD, whatever. Ilal Mudiri. That is important.
Ilal mudiri.
Manager or HOD?
Head of the department.
Yeah. No, wait. What is the question? You tell me now. I'm asking you. Stop seeing your WhatsApp. Yeah. Read this. Just read. Yeah. Read this first. Read this first. I told you not to write in the book, right? No. You have to write. You have to bring a notebook and write in that. Next time you read, everything will be there. How are you going to kind of know that? Figure out that you are reading properly, right? Read quick. No jokes. Fast. Yeah. Correct. Just 2 minutes back you read. Yeah. What is Minal Baiti?
Went out.
Forget Baiti. Tell me Min. I know. Next. Read the next.
You need the mic.
Quick. Translate.
Where is the masjid?
There's no word for where there. The masjid. Yeah. Just concentrate. What is the first letter there? Is it Ain? It is E. Ila. Ilal masjidi. To the masjid. Yeah. Now where were you? Last line, right?
It's my turn.
Oh, you're reading. Oh, he asked me something. Sorry.
To go is also Zahaba, went is also Zahabas.
Zahaba is he went.
He went.
Zahaba. What is this? What was it? Zahaba. One second. Zahaba ilal. Zahaba ilal mudiri. He went to the manager.
Okay. But the question is Aina Zahaba. Where did he go?
Where did he go? Yeah.
So we have to say
Yes. You asked some question. Why did I ask you? What is Ila? Ila, right?
Two.
Ila, what is Ila?
Al-Mudarrisu wa aina zahaba Aliyun Muhammadun zahaba ilal mirhadi.
Yeah. Translate both.
The teacher asks, and where did Ali go? And
No. Okay, fine. Yeah.
And Muhammad answers, he went to the loo, to the toilet.
Yeah, fine. Next. You have to read and answer, just like the previous thing we read. The question and answer. Fast.
Man aina anta.
Translate.
Man aina anta.
What is it?
Where he is from?
What is man?
From. Man. Who is? Who? Man. Who?
So translate now.
Aina. Where?
No. You read man aina anta, right?
Yes.
Translate that. You cannot translate, right?
Okay.
It is not man, it is min.
Min. Oh.
It will appear the same.
Okay.
Based on the context, you will read it as man or min. You will eventually learn. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Fine? Yeah.
Min from. Where he is from?
No, you.
Okay. Anta. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Okay. I am from India. Arabic. I am from Arabic.
I am from India.
Ana man Hindi.
No.
Ana min Hindi. Min ana Hindi.
No, wait. No jokes. I am from India.
Okay.
What is I?
Ana.
From?
Man. Min.
Ana? What is Al-Hind?
Al-Hindi.
Sorry, what is India is Al-Hind. Ana min al-Hindi. I am from India.
Ana min al-Hindi.
anta anta minal Filippini.
Are you from Philippines?
La
Correct.
la
I am from China.
ana minal Hindi.
Okay. I am from India. Fine. Next. Wait. One more. Which one? No, I'm not getting you. No, the last letter you are saying. Minal Filippini. No, that I think is for ya. Anesh, yeah. It is for ya. Yeah. Next. Oh. Who's next? Yeah. Jamshed. Yeah.
Man Minasini.
Minasini. Translate.
Are you from? No.
Man.
Are you from?
No. Man is what? Who? Who is from China?
He's from China.
Just say some name. Jackie Chan. Minasini.
Muhammad.
Okay, fine. Yeah, next. Zahir.
How to say that?
What?
Sentence, Arabic sentence. Yes, Jackie Chan from China.
But say Muhammad from China.
Minas China.
Oh, Muhammad.
Minas China.
Muhammadun Minas Sini. Yeah, next.
Man aina Hamidi.
Try to translate what you said.
Man aina Hamidi.
Translate.
From
But you said man now. What is man?
Min. Sorry.
Min, yeah. Don't worry, I mean, the process of learning it is perfectly alright to make mistakes. That's how you learn, you know.
Min aina Hamidi. Means from who?
From where? From where is Hamid?
From where Hamid?
Yeah, he is from Pakistan. He is from Japan.
Here mean
Who
mean Jap.
mean Yabani? Yaban.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. What did I say? This one question? Yeah. Aina, right? Yeah. You said you read Hamidin. No, why did you read Hamidi? I'm sorry, thanks, Jazakallah, I didn't notice. Can you read the question again?
Min aina Hamidi.
Min aina Hami?
Hamidun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine, thanks, Jazakallah, I didn't notice. Yeah. Next. Sisters.
Aina Zahaba Abbasun.
Yeah. Where did Abbas go?
Zahaba ilal Mirhazi.
Yeah, perfect. Translate.
Where did Abbas go? Abbas went to the bathroom, toilet.
You didn't say Abbas went, right? You just said he went. Or did you say Abbas? She said Abbas? Anyway, it's fine. Go on, you said. It's fine.
Yeah.
Look more, go ahead.
Zahaba Aliyun ilal Madir.
Ilal?
Madiri. Madiri.
Yeah.
Zahaba means
You translate the full sentence. That will be easier.
Zahaba Ali ila Madir. Zahaba means
Just translate the whole sentence. Azahaba Aliyun ilal Mudiri.
is Ali going to
Did Ali
go to the
manager?
manager?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
Zahaba he went to the
HOD manager को भी यूज करते हैं ना अलग प्रिंसिपल मुदीर इज प्रिंसिपल HOD नहीं Mudir is principal or headmaster. Fine. Yeah, next.
Naam.
Wait. What is the question? Fazal. Huh? Fazal, right? Yeah. Tell me. What is the question? I mean.
Is it Adhaba or
One second. What is the question?
Adhaba or Adhaba?
You tell me.
Adhaba.
Correct. Here, if you ask question, you have to answer also. Yeah, next.
Naam. Naam Aliyun ila Madiri.
Ilal Mudiri. Yes, Ali went to.
He went to the HOD.
Yeah, Zahaba. Yeah. Fine. Next.
Al hurfatu minal hurfati.
Yeah. Next.
Minal hamama.
Minal
Hamami.
Correct. Next.
Al mirhaji.
No.
Al mirhaju.
Yeah. Read the next.
Oh. Ilal mirhaji.
Not G.
Z.
Wait.
Z.
Yeah. The toilet to the toilet. Correct? Yeah. Next.
Al-Yabani.
Al. See the book. Don't see me. See the book.
Al-Yabanu.
Correct. Al Filipino.
Al-Filipino.
Yeah. Pass it up.
Man.
Tahir bhai. Yeah.
Minhal.
Minal.
Minal Hindu. Hindi.
Correct. Translate.
Who is
Huh? There's no who and all here, right?
from India.
Correct. Next. Right?
Ila sini.
One second. I missed. No.
Ila sini.
Minasini, yeah?
Ila
Ilesini, right?
Yes.
Ilesini, yeah.
Ilesini.
Translate?
To China. To the China.
To China, yeah. Yeah, we'll quickly finish it and take a quick, well-deserved break. Read the next.
Min aina.
Sorry?
Will we have some writing class or grammar or something like that now?
Writing?
We will have reading only in the next hour. Something new.
No.
No, will we continue reading or will we have some grammar stuff?
We'll continue reading. The grammar will come slowly. Yeah. So, okay, what we did in the first few classes was, right? What we did in the first few classes was we kind of gave an essence of what is there in the book. Right? Only the first volume. Like Haza, Hazihi, what else?
No, instead of reading, if you could just write the questions, we will write the answers in the book. I mean, that also will be a like kind of.
If you're reading it, it's fine, no problem. Writing, you can do it at all. Otherwise, you cannot proceed so much. We'll move at a snail's pace. Like we want to cover at least this book, inshallah. Right? So what we did in the first few classes was we gave an essence of what all is there in the book. For example, right, we said huwa, he and all that. Right, those are pronouns and all that we said, right? It came in this class. Right? We gave an essence and we gave only 3 examples. Right? Like, what is that? Muslim, teacher and student is what we gave. Right? And that was just to teach the concept. Now for that to get ingrained, right, for the concept to get ingrained, you will have to do it with more examples. And that's what we are doing now. Fine? Yeah, go ahead.
Min aina Fatimatun.
Yeah.
Minal Hindi.
Correct. Next.
خرجوا خرجوا
خرج المدرس.
خرج المدرس من الفصل
من الفصل.
من الفصل
Yeah.
والذهب إلى المدير.
Correct. Yeah. Try to translate. Okay. You want to try?
No, I don't know.
Sister, someone wants to try translating this? Wait.
What is Kharaja?
Kharaja went out, exit. Yeah. Someone wants to try? Quick.
The teacher went out to the class.
Not from.
Okay, from the class to the.
And
went to the HOD. Or
Yeah, I'm fine. Correct. Yeah. Next. Safiya.
ذهب التاجر
ذهب التاجر
إلى
Go ahead.
إلى الدكان.
No. If villa comes, what will happen?
دكاني.
Correct. إلى الدكاني. ذهب التاجر إلى الدكاني. The merchant went out to the shop. Fine? Yeah, next. Kharaja.
Hamidun.
Correct.
Minal ghurfati.
MashaAllah. Next.
Wazahaba.
Correct.
Ilal hamami.
MashaAllah. Excellent. Translate. Very good.
Hamid.
Hammam. It's hammam. Ilal hammami.
Hammami.
Yeah. Translate. Try.
Hamid
Yeah.
is from.
No, not from. Kharaja went out.
Hamid went to.
No, Kharaja Hamidun. Kharaja is went out. Right? Hamid went out. Translate now.
Hamid, I don't know.
Try. Went. What is the next word?
Min.
What is min?
Min from.
Hamid went out from.
Ghurfa.
What is ghurfa? Is room. Yeah.
Went
Next.
out of the room.
And
Was Zahaba.
went.
And went to the washroom.
Perfect. You did read again the full sentence. Not in English.
Okay. Hamid went from the room to the.
And
went to the washroom.
Yeah. Once again, you translate.
Hamid went from.
Correct. Go ahead.
Went out from the room.
Yeah.
And went to the washroom.
MashaAllah. Excellent. Sorry.
Let me say like this. ذهب حامد من الغرفة خرج إلى الحمام.
خرج حامد من الغرفة.
ذهب حامد من الغرفة.
Went out Hamid from room. Okay.
وخرج إلى الحمام.
How is that possible? Does it mean, if you want, for the sake of writing a sentence, we can write. Just that it doesn't make a logical sense. Went. Kharaja is went out, exited. ذهب إلى المكتب or ذهب إلى المسجد. Like in a doors, right? You'll see exit. Went out.
Are we practicing Jumla failure? Because
It will come later.
these lines, what we're just doing, what we're discussing.
Yeah. These are the Jumla failure, yes.
Starting from the
Yes, correct. Yeah. Fine. Next.
Min kharaj min al fazl.
Translate.
Min is from.
Yeah.
Kharaj is exit.
Okay.
Min al-Fazl.
That makes sense, right? So it is not min, man.
Man.
First word is man. Who went out?
Who went out?
Yeah.
Who went out? Min al-Fazl.
Min al-Fasli, from the class.
From the
Fine?
Who went out from the class.
Yeah. Fine, next.
Kharaja
Kharaja.
al-talibu
Kharajat talibu.
minal mudarasatu
Min al-madrasati.
madrasati wazzahabu ila sufi
Wa zahaba.
ila sufi
Suqi. Suq is market. Translate. Went out
Kharaja is exit.
No, went out student. Kharaja is went out.
Went out.
Student, talib is student, went out student from
Market.
No, from the madrasa
To the market.
and went
went to the market.
to the market. Yeah, next.
Khadijatu min as-Sini wa Khalidun min al-Yabani. Khadija went to Khadija is from China and Khalid is from Japan.
Correct. Next. So what you have to do is you have to
add
you have to fill in the blanks with one of the harf.
al-Kitabu al-Maktabi.
Correct. Stop. Nadeem. Jamshed, you start.
At-talibu min al-fasli.
Yeah. At-talibu min al-fasli.
Fil fasli.
Fil fasli. Yeah. Kind of logical.
ذهب حامد من الجماعة من الجماعة
ذهب حامد. Went Hamid
from
went to
ذهب حامد إلى الجماعة جامعة
University. Hamid went to the university.
ذهب حامد إلى الجامعة.
Correct. Next, Faisal.
Kharaja mudiru.
Kharajal mudiru. Dash al
madrasati.
Yeah.
He left from the masjid. Min al madrasati.
Correct. Next.
ذهب محمد
Yeah.
من الصين من الصين.
Okay. ذهب محمد. Muhammad went from
ذهب
China?
محمد من الصين
from opposite
إلى الياباني.
إلى الياباني. Malmi honors, yeah, sure. ذهب ذهب محمد إلى الصين وخرج من الياباني. Okay, fine. Then الكلمات الجديدة. Yeah, Hanan. You read the box, right? It has got new words. Read them.
Al-madrasatu.
Correct.
Al-faslu.
What is faslu?
Fasl, class.
Yeah.
Al-hammamu.
Correct.
Bathroom. Al-mirhazu.
Yeah.
Mirhazu.
Toilet. Yeah. Arzal. I mean, don't write.
Al-Madbakhu.
No, al-madbakhu.
Al-Madbakhu.
What is a madbakhu? Kitchen. Yeah.
Al-Ghurfatu.
Yeah. What is ghurfatu? Room. Yeah.
Al-Jamiyatu.
The university.
السوق السوق
السوق
السوق
the market.
market
I mean, forget nothing is there in Al Yabanu, Al Sino, Al Hindu, Al Filipino. Read the last line.
Last line.
Yeah,
المدير
correct.
ذهب.
Yeah, what is Zahaba?
ذهب is from. He went. خرجوا. خرج.
What is Karaja?
خرج is
Went out.
he went out. Went out.
Yeah, and the next box is Fi ala min ila. Min hurufil jarri. These four are from harf jar. I mean, there are many more. We have, as a beginning, we have read 4. Okay? We'll just take a short 5-minute break and resume, inshallah. Next is on mudaf mudaf ilayh.